welcome to Cooking with Beverly Z. I will be showing to you how to peel fresh asparagus. Green fresh asparagus. Asparagus here. So I'm going to show it to you. That's fresh and green. So lovely, isn't it? Okay guys, so I will be making wrapped asparagus. So stay tuned guys. You know, there are many steps on how to trim asparagus. So I'm going to show you one step on how to trim asparagus. No matter which method you use on how to trim asparagus, be sure to start with fresh asparagus. Look for firm spears with tight compact heads and cut ends that aren't too dried out. To cut the ends, the woody part here. This is too hard guys to eat. So we have to trim this one and peel the skin of the green asparagus. Want to rinse and pat the asparagus dry before you start? You can, or you can wait and just rinse the trim once with the trim pieces. So work with one asparagus spear at a time. Okay? So pick up an asparagus spear and hold it firmly on each of its ends. So really on its ends. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So start to bend it up and a bit away from yourself. There you are. So as you can see, the woody part is broken. Bending the asparagus a bit is not. So you have a snap in its own place. So when done properly with some finesse, that lets the asparagus break where it wants to. So another one. So repeat with the remaining spear, setting the trimmed asparagus and the trim of stem ends in separate piles. So I have to there. We're done with snapping all the green asparagus. So discard the cut stem ends and the tops are ready to use. So once trimmed, you can use asparagus trimmed this way in pretty much any asparagus recipe. So let's start peeling the asparagus. Asparagus, you have to gently peel it. So start here. Okay guys, I guess this is enough. Okay, see? Okay guys, we are done with trimming and peeling of our green asparagus. So as you can see, it's not really, but it's okay. So, and we have here our bacon. So the next step we're going to do is to cut the bacon in half lengthwise to make it thinner, and this way you get bacon wrapped around the entire stalk. So guys, we have to cut the bacon in half lengthwise. This is our bacon. Board for our meat. So you have to cut it lengthwise. After cutting the bacon lengthwise, we have to wrap each bacon strip tightly around an asparagus stalk. So only slightly overlapping the bacon on each stalk. So wrap each bacon here. The asparagus So we have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. You have to be really very careful, guys. You have to prepare and place an oven safe wire rack onto the cookie sheet. So I have here a cookie sheet, a baking sheet. So I have here cook and place an oven safe wire rack. Asparagus here, so drizzle with olive oil. Pepper. Garlic powder. We are done. So we have to bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the bacon is almost crispy. So ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. Bake 10 to 15 minutes more. Guys, another recipe that I'm going to make. I have here 2 Dorade Royale fish. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a mix spices. So I have to insert all the spices here to make it tasty. So I have here onions, ginger, spring onions, and tomatoes. So, and Himalayan salt and pepper. So I'm going to mix all the spices with salt and pepper. Sing the spices. So first, the onions, then the ginger, spring onion, and the tomatoes. I have here vinegar, so I'm going to mix it vinegar, and then the soy sauce. This Himalayan salt. Pepper. And a little of fish sauce. I want to mix it with chili, but my husband is not fond of too spicy. What is chili? Sharp, yung maanghang. So I'm just going to separate it. So we have to mix it. So guys, I'm going to mix it with rosemary. I'm going to insert here the spices. So first I'm going to put the rosemary here, and the other one. The next one is the spices. I'm going to oven grill the Dorade Royale. Hi guys! We'll wait for 45 minutes. Asparagus recipe. It only takes a few minutes of prep to throw it together. So I hope you enjoyed our cooking with Beverly. While waiting for our Dorade Royale, I will be preparing rice. So while waiting for our Dorade Royale fish, my husband prepared coffee for me and my slice of banana cake. I love you all guys. Thanks so much guys. Let's eat. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And enjoy cooking. God bless everyone, and I love you all. Look at the fish guys. It's already cooked. Wow, this looks really delicious. And I am so hungry now. Let's eat guys! Mapadami yung rice ko nito ah. Look at the spices guys. Oh la la.
Mosel ist ein Fluss, ein Zufluss zum Rhein.
Okay guys, let's eat. I'm hungry. Baby, let's eat.